Tukomyewo nate okay webale nnyo gwagobera motion media TikTok Facebook Junju Moses ate YouTube motion media. Nkomyewo ne part 2 ey'olutalo wakati w'abakyoli saako n'abalalo. Abalalo we twakoma sabbiiti eri nga omubaka Gilbert Oulanya yali ayitiddwa akakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu mujjukira bulungi nnyo ebyaliwo eyo sigenda gendayo. Kaakano genkuleetedde ga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Buhabulwa pulezidenti w'eggwanga lino Uganda yatuuzizza abakyoli bano saako n'abalalo. Biki bye bayogedde byogenda okubanga owuliriza. Abalalo baabulidde General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nti bakooye abalalo okubakijjanya saako n'okubateeka ku midumo gy'emmundu okutwala ettaka lyabwe ku bwereere agezaako okugaana bakola ekisoboka kyonna okulaba nga ettaka lino balyeddiza.
There is a boy who is about 36 years. He had about 70 pieces of land. Now the people surrounding him sold all their land. He was the only one in the middle. Now the animals are released on a daily basis, destroying his crops. He had no option. He went to the people and said, "You people, can you give me some money? And I go away because I cannot cultivate, I cannot do anything." Then they asked him, "How much money are you interested in per acre?" He said, "Can you give me 400,000 per acre?" They told him, "No, we can only pay you 200,000 per acre." And after he accepted, after coming back the third time, accepted 200,000, they said, "We are giving you animals, the cows, but they value the animals at 4 million each, equivalent of that money." Now, you do the mathematics now. If you are valuing an animal at 4 million and the land is only 200,000, and then he sold the animals at 1 million because he could not keep it, they were dying, and the boy was in tears talking to us. He said, "I'm giving this information to you, but I don't know if I'm going to be alive. The people might even kill me because they are in uniform, they are with guns here."
General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni wano yasinzidde n'ategeeza abalalo bano nga balina okukola bino wammanga. Ekisooka okusalawo okuzimba bbugwe ensolo zaabwe we zirina okuliira, okwewala okutaataaganya emirimu gy'abakyoli saako n'okulya ebirime byabwe. Ekyo bwe kiba kibaleme yabategeezezza nti balina okwabulira ettaka ly'abakyoli. Yabawadde weeks 3 nga baabulidde ettaka lino.
Don't talk care now. So what do I do now? If they say other non-Acholi cannot come to Acholi, then what do I do with my Wayare people? Do I say you go back or what? So you need to be careful. And of course, many Acholi people own land in Kampala. We own. So therefore, we need to handle the issue. These people are playing around. They should stop. I just want to cross-check briefly, but it's clear that if you have got cattle which are in an area which is not fenced, then obviously they are liable to cause damage to people's crops. I am going to have a final meeting with the two opinions, the ones who were for the immediate eviction of the Abalalo and the ones who were going to say go slowly, as the minister was saying. I will have another meeting in Entebbe and we conclude. But in the meantime, we cannot wait for, as far as these ones are concerned, who have got cows in a non-fenced area, they must go immediately. Why should you bring cows in an area where you have no control? Therefore, I direct the division commander and the police commander, the regional police commander,
region Kany,
and also the minister of northern Uganda, to issue orders for these people to remove their cows. Anybody who has got cows in a non-fenced area, they must go. All of them.
Abamu ku bakulembeze okuva mu kitundu kino ekyakyoli bentuukiridde olwaleero kwe kuli Ondonga Otto, ono yali mubaka wa parliament mukulembeze wannono mu kitundu ekyo. Agambye General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni asaanidde okukimanya nti abakyoli ettaka eryo lyabwe bwoya era tebajja kukkiriza muntu yenna kuzimba bikomera oba kuzimba bbugwe kukuumirako bisolo byabwe.
The president ordered the Abalalo
to fence Acholi land and leave. The president has no mandate to order anyone to fence customary land. First of all, he's not an Acholi. Secondly, he's not a cultural leader like me. So he cannot bring his presidency on cultural matters. So for us, our position as Acholi is different. The Balalo should leave. They should not fence any land. You don't fence what is not yours. So we are disagreeing with the president's position. This morning I wrote to the president and they have acknowledged receipt. No one should even try to fence any piece of land. Now it brings me to the issue. People are saying we are sectarian. People are saying Acholis are tribal. We are not tribal. We are not tribal. We have all tribes owning businesses in Gulu. Gulu economy cannot survive without the Baganda. Carpentry, welding, mechanics, they are in Gulu city. Fashion industry are owned by Baganda. I have friends in Gulu who are Baganda. We are not. Come to Gulu, do business, own property, own commercial plots in town. Welcome. But you don't go and buy 3,000 acres, 10 square miles, and then you push our people into the camps.
Agambye ekisooka ettaka lino lyabwe bwoya era ettaka lyabwe teryaliinako bwannannyini.
Shall not accept. We can even reach a level of raising another flag. The constitution allows, the constitution of Uganda says we can have a referendum on anything. If they insist of bringing the Balalo from Rwanda and Tanzania and settling them forcefully in Acholi, we shall ask for a referendum that we should raise another flag and have another country, probably called the Nile Republic. We shall send our ambassador to Kampala to watch Ikimansulo. But we still believe we can be united as a country. I own property in Buganda. I am happy. I am a tenant of the Kabaka. We also welcome you to Gulu and become a tenant of the Acholi. But you don't come and say you want to own customary land. Can the Balalo dance Buala dance? Can they dance the Dingy Dingy dance? They cannot. So we should accept that we are culturally diverse, that this country needs cross-pollination. There is a Lugwara, there is an Acholi, there is a Munyankole, there is a Madi. We should see how we can cross-pollinate and live together.
Atuziza mwaka gwa 1990 mu ndagaano eyakolebwa wakati wa Uganda saako n'abafuzi b'amatwale. Endagaano eyo ey'olukumi Buganda ye yasigaza ettaka erya Mailoland oba ery'obwannannyini ery'obwakabaka. Ate nga bo bali olw'okuba nti baali tebalina bukulembeze bwawamu obw'ennono baasigala nga bakulembera oba zoyindosta chief oba chiefdoms. Era bano bakulemberwa abakulembeze ab'enjawulo bangi nnyo naye nga bannono era nga bagobererwa okuva mu bika byabwe. Agambye okujjako nga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni agamba nti bano beeyawuleko ku Uganda naye tebagenda kukkiriza balaalo kubeera ku ttaka lyabwe.
Interesting. Yes. The colonialists did one thing. They decided that Acholi should be part of Uganda in 1908. By that time, Uganda was ending at Karumba, 4 kilometers for security reasons. So when they decided in 1908 that Acholi should become part of the British protectorate, we were 56 different tribes. We were not one. So the British decided to balkanize us and call us Acholi. So, unlike Buganda, who have one king, we are egalitarian society. We have chiefdoms. Yes. We have Payera chiefdom, we have Koch chiefdom, we have Lamogik chiefdom, which I am the chairman. So the ownership of land in Acholi is at chiefdom level. Each chiefdom owns their land. Now look at this. I am a chief of a clan. I cannot fence land, much as I am a former MP, a lawyer. I cannot fence customary land because it is for everyone. So who are you, Balalo, to come and fence Acholi land? Even me, I cannot fence land. So you come from Rwanda and you want to fence our land? And you think we shall clap our hands? No.
Agambye abawadde sale ye wa weekend baba tebabulidde ttaka lyabwe bagenda kukola ekiddako. Ngenda kubulira mu kitundu ekiddako party yaffe ey'okusatu abalaalo bano bazzaako ki ono era ayina n'amannya alaba motion media gampadde ag'abakungu ba gavumenti ba minisita abali mu lukwe olw'ekwezza ettaka ly'Abakyoli. Nzo omulangira Junjumo Ssaabasajja Kabaka Wangaale ngenda kujjayo linnya ku linnya era ba minisita abo abeesomye era nga be bawa ebyokwerinda byonna eri abalaalo. Weeraba.